Good evening, Akit. Good evening, everybody. And good evening. Okay. Today we're going to talk about a massive bull run, okay, for stock market. So, and today's live stream is going to be short, and that's because I don't have time. Yeah. So everybody come in. Good evening to you. Yes. Okay. So I'm going to talk about I'm going to talk about the prediction by Tom Lee. It's a latest prediction, and many of you already know that I'm very bullish. We're very bullish when it comes to U.S. stock market, and more importantly, I'm a big fan of Tom Lee. So thank you, Jian Ming. Jian Ming, you're very happy, right? Okay, there's a reason why Jian Ming is happy and Mr. Lu is not. Okay, Gary Lau, good to see you. Yes, Raymond and streaming, everybody good to see you. Okay, yep. And Alan, good to see you. Everybody coming, give thumbs up, please. Okay, yeah. So everybody, please come up. Yes, okay. Yes, everybody say hi to me, please. Yeah. All right. Okay. The soul already in heaven. Jiaming is so funny. Okay. Yes. Good evening, everybody. Okay. Good evening. Thanks for all who is joining in. We're going to talk about the stock market today, and the stock market right now is already doing very well tonight, if I'm not wrong. Okay, let me just check the numbers for S&P 500. Okay, the S&P 500 today is 1.16 up to the moon. Okay, to the moon. So okay. Oh, Louis, you got a durian yesterday. Wonderful. Hope you like it. Okay. How you back after the injection? So how do I feel, or how's my back after injection? It's wonderful. Okay. So how many of you have watched my video? My back is wonderful after injection. Okay. Yes. So now there's a lot of people making a lot of noise over me talking about durian, medical treatment, and all this. Let me just tell you, let me just tell you that it's important for us to just share with you all the good deals of life. Okay, so let's not get too upset about it. Yes, can everybody on? I'm also live on TikTok. Everybody live on TikTok, please say hello to me. Yep. Okay, and today I want to talk about the stock market right now going to the moon. Charlie, good evening. Abraham, good evening to you. Okay, Zilong, good evening to you. As usual, I need, 300 thumbs up. I've been very religious about this. I don't see 300 thumbs up, I don't start the live stream. And everybody, all you need to do is just give a thumbs up. You don't even need to do anything, right? For those people who don't log in, just log in, okay? Yes. Okay, this is a Lululemon t-shirt, okay? And we also have a Young Gay t-shirt that's coming, okay? Oh, you prefer... yes, there'll be one coming without a silver dot. So today I will give you the latest prediction by Tom Lee. He's make a prediction by end of August what that bullish number is, and it's not a trivial number, it's a big number, okay? And he has also made a prediction by the end of this year or so what that frightening number would be. And it's a very big number. I will also analyze what I'm going to do from now all the way to then. Okay, NG, good to see you. LPL, good to see you too. Okay, let me take a look at how many thumbs up do I have. Okay, I have 147, so I need 150 more thumbs up. Oh yeah, coming from Switzerland. Are you from Susie? Are you from Switzerland? Are you from Singapore? Okay. Yeah, so many talks about recession risks have increased. No, there's no recession risk. Yeah, at this juncture, there is no recession risk at all. Okay, so everybody, please give a thumbs up. Okay, please give a thumbs up. And today we will analyze what the stock market number will go to by end of August, and most importantly, what the number will go to. Okay, by end of the year. Okay, and it's a big number. Any one of you who wants to know that? Yes, have you all watched my video from 1965 about how I got a treatment? So I'll talk a little bit about that while waiting for the thumbs up. The thumbs up right now is looking at 170. I need 130 more. Okay. So I will not start my talk unless you all give a thumbs up. Okay. Please give a thumbs up. Please give a thumbs up. I need about 120 more. So I went to, okay, you all may not know, but you know, I'm a big fan of one of the orthopedic here. And when my wife, if the video is that my wife actually she actually went there. So there is a swell. There's a swell on the leg. If you watch the video, it's a swell on the leg on 165. And the doctor used an ultrasound to scan. In Singapore, doctors don't do that. I don't know why. Ultrasound to scan, they found that, wow, there is a bubble inside. So I thought cancer or something like that. Jalat, right? Okay. So for waiting for thumbs up, so she scanned and said, "What? It's all black." I said, "No lah, Mr. Lu, it's just gel." I said, "What is gel?" Right? So the doctor gave her 3 options. Number 1, leave it alone. Number 2, he will use a ultrasound guided needle to jab into it and extract out. This is called aspiration. Okay, extract out the gel. And the third one is go for operation, which he don't think should be done. And guess what? Right, my wife went for the easy option, which is to have a needle inside and extract. Oh wow, it turned out well. It turned out well, and you all should watch a video, right? Okay, so I've got 211. I need another 90 more, and we'll start. Okay, we will talk about the stock market. We will talk about stock market now going to a frightening number as predicted by Tom Lee. Okay, Tom Lee. Anybody who know who Tom Lee is? Tom Lee is one of the best stock market predictor, one of the best stock market predictor in the world. Okay, he's American Korean. He has successfully predicted the bull run of 2020. He successfully predicted the bull run of 2223, and now he's now predicting a massive bull run. And I thought it's important for me to for me to share his prediction to you. Okay, I left 50 more thumbs up and good to go. Okay, 50 more thumbs up, please. So today we will analyze what he says. Okay, and then I will analyze what he says. Okay, Ken. I have another 50 thumbs up. 50 thumbs up more to go. Okay, 50 thumbs up more to go, and we will start. Okay, 50 thumbs up more to go, and we will start. Okay, just show you the cover. Oops. Okay, I'll show you the cover slides first. And okay, so Tom Lee has predicted that a major August stock market rally is coming. Now, traditionally, stock market in US do not do well in August. Okay, they do not do well in August, but Tom Lee actually predict that there will be a major stock market rally coming in August, which is now. In case you don't believe, he shot that video a few hours ago. Right now, we are sitting on the rally. If you were to look at the S&P 500 right now, is at 1.3%. Someone give me the latest number, please. What is the latest number for S&P 500 right now? Okay, I'm still waiting for all the 300 thumbs up. Okay, I think that, sorry, now my hair is a bit messy because I've been taking some supplement. It's growing like crazy right now, and I cannot seem to be able to comb it down, but anyway, it's a good problem. So I want to know what's the S&P 500. So it has gone up to 6,300 points, right? So I think we are good to go. Okay, and let's go, shall we? Okay, so as usual, my content is for education, entertainment, not financial advice. Okay, remember, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my timely update. And I will go live on all platforms right now. Okay, on YouTube, on Facebook, on TikTok, on everywhere. Okay, so this is Tom Lee. Tom Lee is so this is Tom Lee. Tom Lee is a very nice, chubby American. Korean, okay, Asian American, Korean American, and he's actually a very good analyst, and he has analyzed the stock market pretty well. So Tom Lee has been a analyst, financial analyst, and now a stock market analyst. He's actually well educated. He studied in Wharton School Wharton Business School. Does anybody know where Wharton Business School is? Wharton Business School is a business school that is probably as good as Stanford and Harvard. Okay, and for those people who don't know that Stanford and Harvard and Wharton are probably all about the same league. Wharton School probably more pro corporate kind of business, and Stanford more entrepreneurial, and so is Harvard as well. Anyway, so at University of Pennsylvania Wharton School, he did really very well. Okay, and he then he worked for a few companies and eventually set up his own boutique firm called Farmstrat. Okay, and he has been since making a lot of prediction and things like that. Really doing fantastic. Okay, so let me give you what he actually said. So Tom Lee just did this prediction. Okay, so number one is that he highlighted that the latest inflation report shows that there is only a mild impact from the tariff. Okay, and the impact from the tariff is not as severe. And in fact, he says that if the US were to use the same inflation measure as what the ECB will do, which is the Euro Central Bank will do, the inflation numbers would be a lot less. Okay, so he thinks that right now is due for a interest rate cut. So the current interest rate environment, he thinks that there will be an interest rate cut coming, and I think probably it's going to be in September. So he's pretty optimistic about a rally. Let me give you his number right now. He thinks that in August the S&P 500 could reach 6,500 or 6,600. Right now it's about 6,300. Okay. And it could, of course, 65 and 6,600 is an all-time high. We are originally predicting they'll hit 65 or 6,600 end of the year. But now they are predicting that we will hit this number by end of August. That's almost half a year earlier. That's pretty good, right? Okay, everybody give a thumbs up. So now this is where he make another prediction. He thinks that you will hit 7,000, okay, or well above it within the next 12 months. That's a big prediction now. It will hit well above 7,000, okay, within the next 12 months. Okay, S&P 500. That's very good news, right? If it were to happen. So I thought that's an important prediction, and everybody should know that. So there are two sets of numbers: 6,600 by end of August, and 7,000 by end of 12 months. Okay, well above 7,000, not 7,000, well above 7,000. Okay, so I thought that's important. And of course, a lot of people say, "What about the tariff? What tariff?" He thinks that sub water. Okay, the market have already got used to it already, and US has won big time, right? US has won really big time against against the rest of the world, except now China. So we don't know how's the reaction of China right now versus US. As I always say, that there'll be ta ting ting kind of response. But okay, I think that there's some big numbers there. Between US and China, they will come to an agreement, right? Other than that, the rest of the world all kena makan up by US really. You agree with me? So right now he thinks that there will be a dovish tilt from the Federal Reserve, okay, which could further boost the market, meaning that the Federal Reserve, after looking at all the soft numbers, especially the job market, they will actually adjust the market the numbers down. So he adjusts the interest rate down. So I think that is something good for the stock market, and actually I think it will be a powerful number. Okay. Yeah. So this is where his prediction is. Let me do a quick commercial. We have launched our Young Again Telegram chat group. Okay. And do think about it. Okay. Yeah. All right. So the key takeaway is this. I think he actually said this, and I'm going to quote him. Okay. I'm going to quote him. I think we are going to rally pretty strongly in August. I say again, okay? Tom Lee, I quote him, I quote his quotation, okay? I think we are going to rally pretty strongly in August. And he also said that I think we can go back to 65, 6,600 in a couple of weeks and well above 7,000 by 12 months, okay? Personally, Mr. Lu, of course, just to be safe, I should say he could be right, he could be wrong, but I think he could be right. Okay, I think he's more likely to be right than wrong. Because at this juncture, I do not foresee any more big bad news are coming. Right? All the big bad news already need to be bad, already bad is there already. So if the stock market were to go from strength to strength, I would rebalance. Remember my strategy, right? When it hit a new watermark, I will take out 1/3 of profit, rebalance to something else like bonds or something like that, and we can talk about it. Some of you like to put into OCBC, DBS, UOB or so. That's fine as well. Okay, so I'll rebalance 1/3 out. Okay, 1/3 out as the profit goes up, right? So so let's open this time for a quick discussion before I got to leave this place. Okay, come, let's have a quick discussion. Okay, let's go and. All right, let's go, shall we? Okay. Anyone have any questions? Anyone have any questions? Okay. Clarence said this: August is historically a bearish month, according to research. Okay. Yes, yes, traditionally it is. But where I want to share is that Tom Lee actually said the reverse. He thinks that the stock market could go at a record high. Okay, at a record high. So give me a minute. I'm just plugging in the phone. He thinks that he could go a record high to 66 or 6,500. Yeah, okay. What about deteriorating job statistics? Well, first of all, the job statistics ain't that bad because the non-farm payroll shows a small increase. It did not show a negative, so it's not so bad. So it's less than 100,000. I think it was 74,000 or something like that. So it's still okay, but the softening job numbers could be a prompt for the Federal Reserve to cut interest rate, which is then good for the stock market and the bonds market. Okay, TLT need to wait for rate cuts. Yes. Should we buy more? Buy now? Wow, that's a very difficult question for me to ask you. I will just say this: I don't buy stocks when they're on a bull run. I only buy stocks when there's a massive crash. Which artificial intelligence stocks should we buy? If I'm chasing after AI stocks, I would bet on the Nasdaq. Okay, yeah. Will the STI fly forward? Okay, let me say this. For Singapore stock market, if I really have to buy, which I don't, I will not buy the index. The damn index is pretty bad. I would be selective and pick some stocks that are good. Okay, that's what I'll do. But I don't, because I don't have time to do research. I don't have time to do research, and I just can't pick stocks. So as a strategy, then I avoid the STI. Okay. Yeah, you just got notice. Oh, okay. Everybody give a thumbs up. If there's a crash, will you buy Tom Lee's ETF? No, I never checked his ETF. How well is it doing? GRNY. You know, I can take a look right now, okay, and see how it's doing. Okay, GRNY ETF. Let me take a look. His ETF year to date is okay only lah. Okay only, not fantastic. Okay, okay only. Yeah. So some people are very good in analyzing, but not necessarily good in executing. Okay. Yeah. So is PIMCO considered a bond? It's an income fund. STI outlook will be poor. His ETF outperform SPI year to date, but you must take a look at the whole time horizon, right? Okay. What about DBS? I think DBS, OCBC, and UOB has all been doing well. I bought OCBC when it was $5. Today is $16, $17. I don't know what's the latest. But I would not double down on OCBC or UOB or DBS at this high, okay? Because there's an interest rate cut coming, so I don't know how it would affect. PIMCO Capital Security versus PIMCO Income Fund. I actually favor the capital security more, but that's my personal preference. Okay, yeah. By the way, Tom Lee is also bullish on main crypto like by Bitcoin, Ethereum. That you're right. He thinks that crypto will hit 250,000. Yeah, but not me. It's not me. If I'm not familiar with something, I don't touch it, and that's okay. Okay. Banks facing interest rate cut, margin pressure. REITs. Yeah. I think that I don't touch banks right now. There could be an argument that REITs right now could be getting better because the interest rate cut is coming. Okay. What does it mean that we should not invest in stock and ETF? I think we should. Okay, maybe put it that way. I like to buy stocks when they're on the cheap. Now that stocks are going so sky high, it's very difficult for me to tell you to buy. What if you buy right now? Okay, I used to tell people this. The S&P 500 NASDAQ generally goes like that for a long period of time. So theoretically, you buy at any point of time, if you can tahan, you always go up. But however, there's a lot of people talk big, think they can handle. So you buy on the rise, but then later when there's a crash, they forgot to hold on, then they blame everybody and blame Mr. Lu, everybody, okay? And they just can't stomach this fall and sell. And then the market recovers and go up again, right? So I realized that a lot of people can't take volatility. If you are a person who can take volatility and can hold for a long period of time, it's okay, right? You buy any point of time, you go up. But a lot of people cannot. So I don't even think I can do that. So that's why I always buy during massive crashes. Russia agreement to ceasefire would be a strong impetus to stop. No, I don't think so. I don't think. First of all, I don't think that there's going to be an easy way to have agreement, to have a ceasefire. But if they agree, I'm not even sure whether it's good for a stock market because I think they ignore already. Okay. Yeah. Next question. Okay. Yes. Next question. Okay. I just want to make sure that everybody. Let me repeat Tom Lee's prediction again. Okay. Tom Lee's prediction is that the S&P 500 will hit 6,500 or 6,600 by end of August or around end of August. And he believes that it could be well above 7,000 by the end of 12 months. Okay. Now this is his prediction. Don't you all hold Mr. Lu to say this is Mr. Lu's prediction. I'm just sharing his prediction. Now, if you ask me, I think there's a good chance he could be right. Okay. Yeah, I think a good chance he's right. Can explain more in detail strategy to take one-third profit. Oh, okay. This is where I learned. Okay. I used to think that just let something compound. But I realized that it's very wise if you were to take out profits to rebalance. Rebalancing, there's nothing wrong with it. Now, so I came out with this strategy. I learned it from my hedge fund manager. So when the counter asset goes up, okay, what he does is that he takes out, okay, he treats it like a company profit. He takes out 1/3 of profit as a dividend, and he keeps it, and then he use it for any other investment. You can put into stocks, put in bonds, put into businesses, put in CPF, voluntary housing refund, which I taught everybody yesterday. That's another option as well. Okay, but he spreads it around. Okay, and I thought that's very wise. I ever had one fund that I invest in. I invest $1 million into it. No kidding you, $1 million. It went to $4 million in a few years. Okay, it's a hedge fund, and I won't tell you what it is. But then I thought that at that rate is growing. One day I'll become a billionaire. What kind of stupidity, right? Well, it went up fast and it came down fast as well. Today, that fund came down back to the $1 million I put in, right? So I came to realize that as it goes up, if I've adopted a strategy or rebalancing, I will spread out all the risk, okay? And that will be wisdom, okay? Yeah. How much you gain to withdraw? That's very arbitrary, right? So let's say you have $1,000, it grow to 1,005, right? Okay. Then your profits is let's use an easy number. You have $1,000 and then it grow to 1,003. So you make $300, let's say in 3 months or half a year. then you take out $100, put it in something else. So it continue to compound, and this one also compound elsewhere, spread out the risk. Okay, yeah. So I won't touch ARK investing. ARK investing is totally hopeless. You agree with me? Okay, ARK investing is totally hopeless. Okay, yeah. So if we're not buying into stocks and ETF, what else we? Well, yesterday I shared. You could easily put your money back into a CPF. That's also voluntary housing refund. Okay, VHR is also very good. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So I'm already doing that. Okay. So my wife beat me in the CPF account right now. I beat come on. I want to beat her back. So I got to put money cash into my CPF account right now. Yeah, actually, there's nothing wrong. You take a profit out and you just use the money to spend, and that's perfectly fine as well, right? Of course, your compounding power is not as strong, but you at least make some, enjoy the fruits of your gain. That's perfectly fine as well. I pass some of the profits back to my wife because she plow in some of the money, and then she used to buy gold. She always go. We always go to Taka Jewelry to sell gold, right? She's customer number one, or customer number one, and one of the biggest customer. She just buy non-stop gold. Okay, last time I will close. Now I grumble a little bit, but gold prices have gone up so much, and so I think okay lah, she make money happy. What do you think of NVO and UNH? Goodbye now. I don't like big stock, so I don't know how to answer a question. US pharmaceutical, what do you think of Novo this? Okay, I'm not good in stock picking, and the reason is I got no time. I could run businesses, and if you join me in my young gain movement, I like to take care of my face, my hair, and recently my hair grew really a lot. You can see, right? Okay. I'm taking some supplement. Recently, I was actively selling durian, which is completely sold out, and people like Jian Ming and a lot of people eating durian, very happy, and I'm very upset because my wife gave the durian to them and didn't give it to me, and so on. So I got a lot of things to do. Very, very, very excited. Where I got time to go and stock pick, do research, and all this? I can't. Okay. Yeah. So the answer is I don't pick stocks. So the only thing I do is I invest in broad-based index, globally diversified index, S&P 500, NASDAQ, dimensional fund, MSCI World Index, something broad-based. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, Mr. Lu always flip prata. Tell me a case where I actually flip in my stock investment. Okay. Tell me one case that I actually flip my stock investment. My S&P 500 is just going up and up and up. If you look at my portfolio, it's just making lots of money and just growing up and up. And I've never changed from that position. Never changed from a position. You just go up and up and up and up. Just invest in it. Okay. So I will analyze the market depending on the sentiment. By action never change. The market sentiment will change, and I have to explain along with it. But my action of staying invested, rebalance, I've never changed. Okay. And it has made me a lot of money. And the best part is a lot of you make a lot of money together with me. I am very happy. Okay. After taking profits on high, stocks don't come down lower. There's no resistance, right? And we're compounding less. No, I think that what you missed my point. When the market goes up, okay, let's say it goes from 1,000 to 1,300. I take up $100 of profit. You have many choices. What you want to do the 100? Okay, you could spend it. Okay, you could keep it in fixed D, or you could put in bonds. You could put into whatever, right? You can put DBS Bank, OCBC as well. The key is diversify out. So I'm asking you not to put all your eggs in one basket, but diversify out. Diversification is always a very smart thing. Okay. Should I sell TLT or wait? I cannot tell you what to do. Number one, I do not. I take on a lot of bonds position, but I do not all hum into TLT. I share with you guys, right? I took up quite a large position in PIMCO funds with an S, and some TLT as well, and some other assets as well. So I spread out. Okay, yeah. Diversification is very, very important. Okay, yeah. Yeah. And the most stupid thing a person should do is if the market fundamentals have changed, okay, you just gong, just stay on, just stupidly just stay on where you are. I give you an example, okay. Let's say I'm a big believer of news media. News media. So maybe 20 years ago, news media super popular. SPH for example, SPH. Wow, market always goes up. The stock is always good. Give them good dividends whatsoever. And at that point in time, I believe your stock will go up. I'm just saying this as an example. Suddenly, internet came. It got disrupted. Okay, if I stupidly still believe that it will go up, that is outright stupidity, right? So that is something I don't do, and I don't advise it. The fundamentals of the business have changed. I give you an example. You buy SIA, SIA and some other airlines, Boeing and airplane, right? Supposing right now there's a technology and you can go inside a chamber and just press a button, zoom, it teleport you straight away to London or to Korea or whatsoever. Airline is gonna die, man. The airline is gonna just gone. So the fundamentals of those business will change. Then you have to quickly pivot, right? So for example, right now, Russia launched, 1,000 nuclear warheads on US. Everybody died there. There's no more USA. Then of course, your stock market, your stock performance in US is a different thing, right? So the fundamental business, if you think have changed, then you change. But the S&P fund and NASDAQ, I don't see anything massively change here, okay? So anyway, okay, is there a chance for SSB rate to go up? No, I don't think so. Not in the near term, okay? What's your guide to go S&P 500? No, I just wait for it to crash massively by 30%. I'm just using it as a rough benchmark, 20 to 40, 50%. If the market have a massive crash, I'll whack in, okay? And I've done that many times. I show you guys. Okay. What are my views? Okay, what are my views forward your theory? Well, I already explained, right? The S&P 500, according to Tom Lee, will go to 6,500 and 6,600 by end of August. And in 12 months' time, you go to 7,000. He make that prediction. I'm very pro that prediction. Okay, yeah. Trump fired the BLS chief means that we're going to see good job data moving forward. Okay, so yeah, so I'm a market investor. Okay, I'm a market investor, so I follow where the market index is. Okay, so I don't believe in getting more the outsized return from the market. Okay, yeah, yes, yeah. There are a lot of people very rude, and I don't know what their parents have taught them. So I'll just go on. And when people get overly rude, I ban them. Yes, okay, yep. So I just share this. I think the market has always grown from strength to strength over the last 100 years. 100 years, the stock market has gone from strength to strength. And a lot of people during the crash earlier this year, when Trump came in, they think that the good days of US is over. I can understand the feeling. Okay, I can understand the feeling. I actually deleverage, meaning that some leverage position, I think it's too risky to take a leverage position, so I deleverage. Okay, so I deleverage those position, and but almost all the other position I held on. Whoa, your hair grows so much now. What did I use? I use but my problem right now is that I use a MSN supplement. But my problem is that the MSR supplement, I got shortage of stock right now. Okay, yes, I know my hair grow a lot. Yeah, y'all can see, right? My hair grow a lot. Okay, Mr. Lu can pin it. Yeah, okay. Yes, I can. Okay, so you give me 1 minute now. 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute now. Okay, I am live on TikTok right now as well for the first time. Okay, so wait now. Okay, and here, wait, I'm trying to. Okay, all right. Okay, so okay, this is you just got to this one. Okay, everybody just go for it. So let me say again. Okay, For those people on TikTok, thank you for affirmation. They say I look much younger right now. I have a I have a movement called Young Again. Okay, Young Again. Everybody, please join my Young Again movement. Okay, yeah, join a Young Again movement. I will share the tips how you look, how you become young again. Okay, I share the tips how you young again. And today we have been motivating a lot of people how to do well physically. Today, what's my I think I already did 20,000 steps today. 20,000 steps, okay? And later I'll do another 5-6,000 more before I sleep. Okay? Yes. Mr. Lu face very smooth, well taken care of. Well, my face is smooth is because I use a very good skincare. Okay, thank you. Yeah, again need to yeah, I think I share everybody that I have a big movement to make a lot of people young. If you are 40 to 50 to 60, 70 years old, I think I have the lifestyle formula to make you young again. I've already done it, right? I'm 53 years old this year. But I think my energy level, a lot of people say, Mr. Lu, how can you have so little sleep? Your energy. Have you ever seen all my push-ups? You know, I done easily every day. I do 40 push-ups. A lot of people, my push-up not very good standard, but I do 40 push-ups. I walk easily 15,000 steps a day, and I do leg raises and things like that. Okay, yes. One thing I agree, Mr. Lu, focus on running your own business. Don't spend time and stop picking. Okay. Where can we buy a hair supplement again? Give me a bit of time. We are trying to negotiate with the supplier, and I'll try to get you. Okay. Yeah. So in case those people who think that I got filters that make my face look younger on screen, you can ask Jian Ming how I look in real person. He met me for coffee. Okay. Okay. Any other quick question before I end the live stream? Okay. Yeah. Any other quick question? I'm in Malaysia right now. I got a lot of errands to run. So just to wrap up. Okay. Just to wrap up, let me repeat. Okay. So if someone says something I cannot help, Samuel said this. I thought you want to say young again and make more girlfriend movement. I need to tell you this. Okay. If you want more girlfriend, you don't need to look young again. The ladies are not looking for young men. Okay, they are looking for people with okay, as a joke. Do you think it's fine to do DCA? Okay, let me tell you my opinion about DCA. I don't believe in DCA for one simple reason. A lot of people, when they say they will DCA, what they really do is that when the market goes up, rocket up, they quickly chase. They DCA, buy regularly, but when the market crash, they all lao jo and run away. They don't buy anymore. So as a result, they are unable to execute DCA. Now, I know a lot of people say, but Mr. Lu, I can automate DCA. But however, I also notice that people go and, although you automate it, you go and interrupt the process. Yeah. What about the MSN supplement? The drink one is very good. Okay, B, you can get me the MSN supplement, the drink one. Okay. Mr. Lu is running beside Chobu at gym. When? Okay. The VHI is a good idea, but whenever I talk about CPM, my friends say opportunity cost. Okay. Mr. Will Pimco Income Fund. Okay. Yeah. So I do have a hair supplement, that drink one. The one I have is the same thing. It's just a drink one. I like the pure one because I don't like drink. But if you are one, I can I can let you have it. Okay. Yeah. So so my hair that's growing pretty wild right now, you can see, is a result of this supplement called MSN. Okay, methyl sulfonol methane. Okay, and if you are interested, I can put it up for you. Okay, Mr. Lu only look chest up. When you show on a new chair, my sister fainted seeing that. Yeah, I'm trying to reduce this spare tire. Okay, but I've got some results. Okay, I've got some results. When can we order durian again? Badly need to get some. I also want. Don't say you. I also don't have. You're lucky. Some of your got, I don't have. Yeah. If my hair very thick and dry, will MSN cause it to be much drier? No, no. If your hair is thick and dry, you use a hair oil for it. That will help you quite a lot. I do have a hair oil. Okay. Yeah. For a beginner who have not invested in S&P 500, is it, don't worry, okay, you think can help me set up the, yeah, this live, so I can let people, oh man, okay, this phone might not be meeting, the other phone, the new phone, yeah. Mr. Lu, I enjoy your channel. Blessing to thank you so much, Tam Tam. What will you do if you're a new job and there's a job mismatch? During an interview, the interviewer says sales, but every day do data entry. Change a job, as simple as that. But change a job when you can find another job first. Don't mind give me the orthopedic doctor in JB. Yes, it's in my latest video. Go watch it. The latest video, go watch it. The address is behind, okay? Yeah, Charlie, address is behind, yeah. For a beginner who have not invested in S&P 500, is it a good time to enter now? I think that is not a good time to enter now for beginners. Okay, yeah, it could go higher and higher, but I think it's kind of dangerous. Okay, okay. Yes, I just bought. Okay, you just bought from Mrs. Lu the tree oil. Looking for the receipt. Okay, thank you. Try jogging, focusing. I did. Okay, so because I have a hip injury that just recovered, I'm very careful. So in 1 week, I dropped 10 minutes. I walk every day, but I dropped 10 minutes for about 3 days. Okay, I dropped 10 minutes for 3 days. Okay, yeah. Okay, I just want to say for TikTok, I'm going to off you right now. Okay, thank you for joining us for TikTok. Now, if I don't off TikTok, I cannot go live on Shopee because they langa each other. Okay, so I already explained sleeping. Oh, you just joined. Alamak. Okay, okay. Wait. While I just want to show everybody what I did today. Okay, I give you some example of what I did. So I was jogging this morning on a treadmill. Okay, not too fast, but speed 7. You understand speed 7? And I jogged for 10 minutes. I think it's good. 15,000 steps a day is enough to slim down. Is enough to slim down. Okay, it's enough to slim down. I also want to show you what I did. Okay, so now I do 20 of this. Okay, 20 of this. So I hold weight and go up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Okay, yes. Okay, so I know my hair look like one big mess right now. Is really a super result of this one. Okay. I use the pill form, but the liquid form is also very good. Okay, so if you all want to have massive hair growth, you need to put up the link on 1865. Okay, so I just need to say this. I will put this up for a short while. Okay, my hair results is very obvious to you all. Okay, it's a result of MSN. MSN. Okay, methane, and this is really proven to be very good. I've actually gone, yeah. So if you all want, I've turned on Shopee Live. You all go there and get it, okay? And if you buy right now, I think there's some discount right now, okay? 1 packet a day. My wife take this one. I take the pill form. Both are exactly the same thing. Arguably, yeah. So both are exactly the same thing, okay? When I will receive material, wait until a bit nearer. Got side effects, no side effects, You need to spend money to buy, that's the side effects. Okay, so B, are you able to pin? So okay, the liquid hair growth supplement, the link is there. You can go and get it right now. It is the result. If anyone of you looking for a very nice hair growth, okay, my wife and I are both using this MSN supplement right now. I take the pill form, she take the liquid form, both doing good. I want to buy a tablet. I got supply issue. My suggestion is this, okay? My tablet, you all have to buy very fast when I launch it. In a short while, it's gone. So what you do is that in the meantime, you try this first. because you may not work on you, right? Okay, because I think my guess 90% of people will work. You try this one first, you drink it every day, one packet, and then when the tablet come, then you replace it. You can have both, meaning that one day you take this, one day you take that kind of thing, or one, whatever, you can mix and match. Okay, so Mr. Lu, someone say sell durian online can make $8,000 to $10,000 per day. I don't know. Maybe he can. Okay. Yeah, I'm sure people like Wang Lei or something, maybe they can. I don't know. Okay. Pure and liquid form from same kind. They're from two different companies, but it's the same substance. This one is called is MSN as well. It's MSN. In fact, this Opti MSN, the substance is higher quality than the pure form. Okay, so maybe they make out a little bit. There have more mg, here have more higher quality. Both works. Both works. I just don't like liquid. My wife just don't like the pure form. It's just a matter of preference. Okay, can buy from the Okay, so this one has a discount right now through reseller like us. Okay. You actually got a discount, and I don't know whether they give any promotion for free gifts or whatsoever. So you go to my Shopee link right now. B, have you pinned our Shopee link? Okay, so the Shopee link, if you just click on it, you'll go there and you buy this, get this right now. I'm just going to move on. I'm about to end my live stream when someone asked me for this one. If not, I wouldn't have talked about this. Today got neck BE on giving durians to a customer. I gave up. Today, a lot of people got it except me again. I give up. Yeah. For the next few days, I wouldn't have it also. A lot of y'all will have it, not me. Okay. But as I say, a few hundred orders, I just, the customer comes first. I no choice. Okay. All right. Okay. I give you all 5 minutes. For any last question, whoever want to get this one, okay, I'll just show you. Okay. It's actually very nice. Okay. Actually very nice. It's nice tasting. Okay. One sister called Xiu Qing actually shared that with us. It actually tastes very nice. 3 grams of sugar. 3 grams of sugar. Great. Okay, go and get now is proven. You look at my hair. My hair is a result. It cannot be more obvious already. Okay, yeah, take one sachet a day. You all try this first. Buy one box. Okay, when my pill comes, I will let everybody know. They'll quickly buy the pill. Mr. Lu, get some water for me. I have exchange of jobs at work. My colleagues transfer entire clients to me. I found a lot of errors made by my colleague and resolve all the client's opinion. It was my error. Okay. Eczema related product got MSN is also good. MSN is also good for helping with eczema. Okay, thank you. Okay. Yes, it's very good for joints pain as well. Very good joints pain. So let me share everybody. Begin one new packet. Okay. So let me share with everybody again. The MSN packet, okay, is something you all should quickly go and get before the pill comes. The pill, I don't know when will come. But this is the same product, doing good. You all like your hair growth to be like mine. You look at my hair, well, the results is amazing. Then you'll just go and get it. Okay. Last 3 minutes, I don't waste time. Okay. Don't worry about this one. This one is very safe. They sold a few thousand packets already. Okay. Yeah, 1,000 boxes, tens of thousands of boxes. Yeah. So this one is actually very healthy. Okay. So this is made by Puresco. Is a Singapore company. Okay. Made in Taiwan. Very reliable. MSN, I did a lot of research on it. It's quite safe. Okay. Buy only if you feel comfortable. So don't worry. So I like my hair. I have no hair before, and now I have hair. I tell you, I'll treasure every bit of my hair. A new job offer comes along at this point in time. Is it risky to change now? The company is relatively stable, never retrenched before. Look at the company. If it's a big company like Microsoft, SIA, DBS, or whatever, I think it's fine. But if it's a small setup whatsoever, I'll be more concerned. Okay, how long do you take to see the effect? This one pretty fast, 2 weeks to 3 weeks you'll see the effect already. Okay, 2 weeks to 3 you see effect. In fact, I think Jian Ming 16 days his hair got effect already. 16. Okay, I show you. This is the pure form. He promised me, he had given me permission to show this. So okay. So can you see? This was this was him. Maybe I shouldn't talk about him, but anyway, this was before. This after. Sorry, this was before. This after. 16 days. 16 days before, after, before, after, before, after. And you are looking at the result right now, MSN. This is the liquid form. There's a pure form. I make available the liquid form right now. Whoever wants it, go and get. Suitable for men and women. Okay. Is there a picture when I no hair? No. Mine is a bit complicated because I went for a hair transplant. But after the hair transplant, my hair needed to have something to hold on to it. If not, it will drop. So yes, I do have a picture of me before, but that's I'll just show you. Okay, I know it looks like. So this was me. So let me tell you all this. If you have no hair, if you have no hair, nothing will save you except a hair transplant. If you have no hair, so a hair transplant operation will move your hair from in front back to in front. 7-hour operation, very painful. Okay, 7-hour operation, very painful. So my hair was like that. Okay, my hair was like that. Can you see? My hair was like that. This was me. This was me. This is me. Not some Photoshop. This is me. And after I transplanted my hair, okay, the doctor say if you do not, because the underlying reason why your hair dropped in the first place is still there, it's still your hair. So they move the hair from back in front and say you must protect your hair, you must take hair supplement, and you must spray hair tonic and things like that. And I found MSN. MSN was amazing. The operation was about $12,000. Okay, I got it done in Korea. Okay, yeah. So yes, so someone said this. Okay, thank you. You just bought 30 packets. Okay, yes. Go and get it. Yes. So, no lah. Oh, okay. So yeah. So I think it's MSN is okay. The problem with me is that the market is that there are many type of MSN. They are very cheap one. $7 also have. Okay. But I will only recommend you things I've tried and work. How about that? Okay. Yeah. This one I tried. It worked. It really worked. It really worked. I recommend you. You buy now. Okay. You buy now. It worked. Okay. It's in Shopee Live right now in Premium Mall. You can buy. If you already have the pure form, which I have, I had, but I ran out the supply. Okay. That's okay as well. So I take more the pure form. My wife take more the liquid form. Say for breastfeeding mama. Oh, I don't know. Can you ask AI? I really don't know. Okay. The delivery schedule is still waiting. Just wait. Keep waiting. You want to cancel? Very happy. I take over your box. I'm waiting for people to cancel. Okay. Yeah. The delivery will take up to 1 week. The supply is very undetermined now. Every day, they used to think that 120, now they drop down to 50 boxes a day. You just wait patiently. Not happy, cancel, Mr. Lu take over your box. I don't even get my durian. A lot of people got it. Their soul left the body. Okay. Do you have the lobang of heart specialist? I don't have. I really don't have. Heart specialist, I don't have. Hair become thicker and turn white. Does it work? No, I don't know. I don't think so. I think it just grow the hair. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So 1 more minute for anybody. 1 more minute. Whoever wants this to have hair growth, it's there on my Premium Mall Live right now. Go and get it. Okay. What's the name of the hair transplant? You reach out to me. I'll give it to you. Okay. I was looking so old without the hair, right? I know. No, I think it's more than that. So this was in 2021. It's not. This is in 2021. This was me in 2021. Okay, 2021. A lot have changed since then. That's why I started a movement called Young Again to help everybody look young. That's why I wanted, yeah. I'm now 35 years old younger. Thank you so much. Okay. I want, yeah, a lot of people wonder, yeah. Okay, a lot of people, okay, the K brand, I tried the K brand. I didn't try the hair supplement. I tried the detox one. Each sun will early, sometimes don't work one day. Yeah, okay. I give you another. A lot of people wonder. Okay, I give you another secret. I share with you right now. Okay, when you use a hair dryer, it destroys the hair. Do you realize that? So what I do is that I use this. I use cold air. Okay, I use cold air to blow. Yeah, I use cold air to blow. It take a bit longer. Okay, I take a cold air to blow. Okay, I take a cold air to blow, and it works. This is another, and sorry, my hair looks even messier right now. Okay, I just want to show you that I use cold. You can buy this kind of fan. If you want, I can try to find this for you. I got it in Shenzhen, but the high speed fan just blow. It's very good for your hair because if you use a hair dryer, the hot air destroy the hair. I lost a lot of hair because of hair dryer. Mr. Lu looks so much younger compared to last time. Chai Ling saw me through the ages. Watch this, Chai Ling saw me when I was older, and now I'm younger. Chai Ling, would you agree with me? Chai Ling saw me when I was older. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Anyway. Okay. Anyway, thank you, everybody. I really got to go. Okay. Thank you, everybody, and I'll see you tomorrow. Okay. So today the yeah. So I think the hair is great. The skincare is great. I will go to Korea soon. And when I'm in Korea, I will show you all the amazing things that make me look younger. Okay, you all have to. This is called a Young Again movement. Reduce your eye bag, yes, but that one not within my control already because I sleep late. Yeah, we have a lot of collagen. We have a lot of collagen product. B, do you have a collagen product here? Can you show them the collagen product? Yes, Catherine, I'm still using a shampoo. I'm still using the shampoo. Yes. For ladies, cannot use cold air. Why? Okay, I don't know why. Okay, why? B uses for cold air, ladies cannot use cold air. B is using cold air. Yeah, B is using cold air. Yeah, very good for, yeah. Okay. Oh, Chin Chi Kyong. Okay, Dr. Chin Chi Kyong, a heart specialist, is a very good friend of mine. He's one of the wisest men I ever know. Yes, I know him very well. Oh, yes, I've forgotten. Chai Ling, I know a very good heart surgeon, Dr. Chin Chi Kyong, one of the wisest men I ever know in my life, but he's based in National Heart Center. If you want the contact, I can give it to you. He's really very good, okay? And one of the person I will trust in my life. You know that? Huh? Just the collagen. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So, okay, I just want to show you guys. This is a collagen product. I will not sell it today because it's too complicated. Okay. But unless you want it, okay. But this collagen product, you ask Chai Ling. You ask Chai Ling how good this is. I think Chai Ling is using. Chai Ling is a person who use Atas product and she downgraded herself to use this. This one, I don't know how much, cheap, right? But I use this for 3 years. My face become like baby face like that. Really very good. I will sell this when I'm in Korea. Maybe not now. Okay. I will try to see whether I got a special deal. Okay. Dr. Malaxin for eye bag. Yes, I'm using it now as well. My problem is I'm just not very consistent. Okay. What's the shop voucher code that is auto already 12% shop voucher? Jennifer, good to see you. Okay. Skin doctor, I have one. Again, when I'm in Korea, I'll show you everything. Okay. Yeah. When going Korea, I'll go Korea maybe in a day or two. Okay. You bought 30 sachet. Very good. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. I really got to go right now. I got people waiting for me. So thank you so much. Okay. No need lah. Just apply the collagen. Then no need to eat whatever already. Collagen to apply on the face after cleansing. Yes. Okay. Yes. back to this, any more well-dermer? Yes, well-dermer have this also have. Between the two, well-dermer got supply issue. Okay, I'm making my own collagen. Okay, no, yeah. Okay, tell you what, guys, a bit late. I'm in a rush of time. I can need rush to somewhere. But I really appreciate you joining us. So for those people who are interested in the Young Again movement, okay, I'll be going to Korea. You join me there. I'll show you all the wonderful secrets how we look young again. For those people interested in finance, just watch my finance video. When it comes to Young Again part, you can excuse yourself, not an issue. Okay, Chiling say that, yes, I use this collagen, super good. Okay. Mr. Lu, after you said Mrs. Lu did VHR, my wife also did it substantially. I'm going to catch up with my wife. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay. I got to go. Okay. I really got to go. I'm sorry. I really got to go. I'll see you again. Okay. Yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Yeah. I'm not available in UAE. I'm so sorry. Yes, we have got products for eczema. We do have. Okay. We do have. Okay. Yeah. Give me some time. Okay, okay. I'll share all these things with you. Okay. Thank you so much. I gotta go. Okay. Bye bye. Bye bye.